Hey everyone, so in today's video, we're going to be breaking down strong, weak, and non-electrolytes. So firstly, what are electrolytes? Electrolytes are substances that conduct electricity when dissolved in water. They do this by producing ions, and it's important to note that not all electrolytes behave in the same way. Now that we know that, let's go over the three different types. So strong electrolytes completely dissociate into ions in solution. That means every molecule splits into cations and anions. Examples of this would be strong acids, we'd have strong acids, strong bases, and we'd have soluble salts. So an example of the acids would be HCl. An example of the base could be NaOH. An example of the salt could be NaCl. So these completely dissociate into ions in solution, and every molecule splits into cations and anions. Now let's go over weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes only partially dissociate in water. That means some ions form, but most molecules stay intact. Examples of this could be weak acids and weak bases. An example of a weak acid could be hydrofluoric acid, and an example of a weak base could be ammonia, NH3. So that's weak bases. And then we have non-electrolytes. So non-electrolytes do not dissociate at all. They dissolve but don't form ions, so they can't conduct electricity. An example of this could be sugar, so like C6H12O6, or ethanol. So these don't dissociate at all. And how can we identify these? So firstly, we can ask ourselves, is it ionic or covalent? If ionic, is it soluble in water? And then if covalent, is it an acid or a base? And if so, strong or weak? So let me ask you a few questions here. If I say NaCl, what is that? Well, NaCl would be a strong electrolyte. If I were to say hydrofluoric acid, what is that? Well, that would be a weak electrolyte, since that's a weak acid. And one last one, if I were to say NH3, ammonia, what is that? Ammonia is a weak electrolyte too. So to recap, strong electrolytes experience full ionization. That's strong acids, strong bases, and soluble salts. Weak electrolytes experience only partial ionization. That's weak acids and weak bases. And the non-electrolytes have no ions at all. That's sugars and alcohols. I hope this helped. Thank you.